In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Teams desktop app for a Mac computer or device. To begin with, you'll need to open a web browser. The browser that comes on Mac devices, Safari, doesn't work too well with the Teams browser app. We recommend trying another one like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. Once you've opened your web browser, go to Microsoft Office 365 homepage. Do this by typing www.office.com into your URL bar and pressing enter. Once you're on this page, sign in with your Abingdon and Whitney College email address and your password. Once logged in, the Office 365 apps will appear here down the left hand side. You should be able to find a Teams icon. If you can't, go to the All Apps icon down in the bottom left hand corner. Click on this and from the list of the Microsoft apps, you should be able to find the Teams one. Once you've opened the Teams browser app, you will see something that looks similar to this. To download the desktop app, go to the top right hand corner and you should see your initials or your profile picture. Click on this and go down to download the desktop app. If you have a pop-up blocker, allow the site to open a pop-up. Once you've allowed that to download, you will see this icon here. Once that's finished, open it. You can open it through here, or you can go to the Finder, and it should be in the Downloads folder. So once we have that, double click to open and you should see an installation window. Follow through these steps. You can install it for all of your computer. To install the desktop version of Teams, you will need 255 megabytes of space. If you have enough space, choose a location to install it to. In this case, I'm just going to install it to my Mac hard drive. Once you've chosen a location to install the desktop app to, it might ask you for a password. Just to confirm that it's okay to do that, and then install the software. Once that's successfully installed, it should open automatically. If it doesn't, you can always go to your Launchpad, have a scroll through, and you should be able to find the Microsoft Teams icon. Double click on that and it will open. Once you've opened that, you will need to sign in again. This will be using your Abingdon and Whitney College email address and password. Go to the OAL welcome page for more videos. Thank you for watching.